So guys, it's been a while. Just me and Josh today. As you can see, we got no rods, no tackle bag. The only tackle we got is Josh's food bag. Nice and plumped in the back. So we're heading to a mark now guys, and I'll bring it back when we get there. This is Lee, our skipper for the day.
Alright.
Going to put us on the big fish.
Oh God, no pressure.
Oh, Joshy boy getting excited now, Josh?
Hot fishing.
Hoo hoo hoo. Here she comes. Swell there. First rod in the water guys, courtesy of Lee. Lent us all the gear today. Nothing new boys, he's in there already.
Last marking as does he would.
Hey, lucky animal. Lucky animal. The traps are set now guys. Come on the fishies.
Oh, come off.
Oh, untangle your rig up. Well, it's a dogfish for me, dogfish for Lee.
Nothing for me.
And bugger all for him yet. Come on the big ones now. Then?
Yeah, it's a dog.
Number 2 for Lee. Bloody things. Deep up. Hmm?
Oh yeah,
Right. Josh's first one. Doggy. Happy days. Well, that's either number 4 or the same one 4 times. Well, we think we're into the target, guys. He's on it.
Oh,
Yeah, it is. Nice little starry. Well done, Lee boy.
Get the crap on. Yeah, get it on. Hopefully there's a pack of them coming down here now.
Cracking fish. Happy days. Right.
Very strong thing.
Oh, they are. It's only a little one as well.
Nice one, buddy.
Yeah.
Cracking fish.
Straight.
That's what we come for.
Happy days.
Let's get a bigger one, right? Come on.
The bullocks, the baby, Baba.
Tiny little huss.
Chucking him back to his pram now.
Go on.
Oh yeah.
Happy days.
Come on.
This is our chef for today. Getting your brews on.
Chef Ramsay.
Warm my belly. And Lee's into another round, guys. We're using his rods and his reels, and I think he's giving me and Josh the dodgy ones. Look at him laughing. I think I am telling the truth here, guys. Come on.
With the blunt hooks.
The rubber hooks.
Keep them away from your line if I can.
Nice little fight of this bugger.
I've got your line, Matt.
Okay. I was sort
Buggers
of.
there.
Right, put you down, guys.
Tangle himself up.
Twisting and turning out there.
You don't want to come in, boy.
He don't want to come in.
Come back down now.
Going down, down.
Go stand behind them birds so you can see it on his camera. Come on, Lee, stop faffing about with him, will you? Here he comes, boys. Still not ready.
You don't want to come up, boy.
See my ugly face and he's like straight back down there.
He got it there,
Want me to net him?
Just have to pull him in now. Then goes out what they're doing.
I'll tell you what, wait a minute, guys, you're going to wet. Alright, guys, a nicer one. Cracking fish, Lee. Beautiful. Well in, buddy.
Not like he was, that big.
It was. Happy days. And that's how that's done. Yeah, off to a new mark now, guys. 2 hounds for Lee off that one. Many dogfish for me and Josh.
Many of them.
But that's how it goes.
Stay down there.
Let's try and find somewhere else. Made it to the next mark now, guys. Traps are set. Just off Scare Rock. Let's try our luck there. Leads into another, guys. Just robbed me blind. There he is. Another nice one, isn't it?
Not much going in as the other one,
No. Now we started. Happy days. Alright, guys. Another cracker for Lee. Nice fish, boy. Happy days.
I stole him off Matt.
You did, I'm moulding out that one.
Matthew got a nice hound. Oh, I wrapped my line up as well. Yeah, man. He's over there.
What you got?
There he is, look.
Plenty of life in there.
He's like, no, I don't want to come in.
Tough, he's coming in.
Yeah, he's on him.
Nice one.
Slap.
Nice.
Plenty more fish in the sea.
Come down, bugger.
Yeah, I know Matthew's got to give him a cut, so.
Lovely boy.
Before he goes back home. Lovely.
Days.
Matthew's happy.
£6.
I got to get one now.
Yeah, £6, £7, I think. Nice.
Come on in, Josh. It's your turn. Put his back, Lee. Yo, Mick boy. I told you I'd get a bacon butties on. Nice slippery conger for Joshy boy. You want to get to, man? Yeah. Happy days.
Sliding off.
Chuck it back. You big baby.
Yeah.
Back he goes.
Scales everywhere.
What? 3 species for you now, eh?
You know what? Don't have to go fishing all year now.
3 for Lee as well, innit?
3 for Lee, aye.
Oh, 2 I've had, didn't I? Only had hounds and dogs.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Right, and 2 for me.
Try winning it.
Josh in the lead then.
Yeah. Quick things doing.
Look at the bite on her.
Like that conga.
Top chef, remember that?
The gay gloves.
Burger man can't do.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. But Josh's rockfish, guys.
What's the boat?
Rockland.
Rockland, now.
Go on for the table.
Mark number 2 done, guys. We're going to move on to another mark now. Just getting the old anchor in. We made it to mark number 3, guys. The Puthcore Lighthouse in the distance out there. I don't know if you can see it. Over there's where we came from. Try for some rays now, guys. That's where we are, guys. Right on our red dot. 35.7 foot of water on low tide. Nice little happy days, Joshy boy.
I watched it today. Happy days.
Little smile on his face. Well then. He's into another ray, guys. The third one now. He's got a small eyed and a spotted. And we think this one's going to be a blonde. No, another small. Back to the pipe for now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Small eyed. Yeah, there's a blonde, isn't it?
I think it might be. Yeah, it is a blonde.
Yeah, there's a blonde.
Just a pale one.
Happy days.
Oh, tidy.
Another nice blonde for Lee. Or it's a better stamp. Nice one, Lee, buddy. Robert. Cracking fish. Nice one, buddy. Big male, isn't it? Happy days. Well, we made it to mark number 4 now, guys. Started to get a bit rough. Off up Puthcore. We've come here now on a big sandbank, somewhere Lee hasn't fished before. Give it a try. Josh is a bit worse for wear, isn't it?
Got about 7 hours of it.
Pussy. Give it a try, bear. Well, it's the second dogfish for Lee on the fourth mark. Bloody things. Was that on lunch?
Yeah. Eat anything, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Bugger all on a bluey. Change that now, I think.
Get some lone sun, catch a doggy.
Greedy old bugger, taking on my crab. Well, that's us done, guys. Back on dry land. We had a cracking day, thanks to Lee for taking us out on the boat today. Got a bit ropey towards the end. Josh being a little bit ooey. First time for him, but we've had a cracking day, guys. So thank you all, and see you on the next one.
Loads of fish.